Okay, so I'm trying to replace oil pressure switch. It's on 2000 Audi S4 with a 2.7 engine. This also applies to 2.8 engines. Just on the 2.7 motors, you have to remove a few more things. Then the piping for the intercooler, which you have to remove 2 bolts. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so you have 2 bolts that will go here. So you remove one here, and there's another one right there. So you take those 2 bolts out, and then you can move this up here so you can have more space to work, because the sensor is back here. So let me see, get more light. Sorry about the lighting. It's hard to see, but somewhere back there. I'll show you a better angle later on. Okay, this is a better look with an engine that has already been disassembled. So this will be the oil filter, or the oil filter, and the oil pressure sensor is right here. So it's pretty easy. You just come from in the back. Of course, you're gonna have a lot of stuff over here, but the whole idea is you're gonna come with a 24mm deep socket, and from the back you can take it out easy. I mean, of course, this one's loose, but that's the idea. It's a better view than doing it from the bottom. First thing you need to do is remove the sway bar, which is held by 1 bolt here, 1 there, and then going to the other side. There's 1 here, 1 there. There's actually 4 bolts, and they are 13mm. So you remove those four bolts, bring the sway bar down. So now you have more space to put your hand back here. After removing the 2 other bolts, so the pressure switch will be 24mm, which you will need a deep socket. This is what I'm using. It's 2 deep sockets, 1 extension, and then this is the other one. So you need something like this that has a big diameter in the middle for the sensor. So it has 1 plug. I already disconnected it from back here. So it's this kind of plug. Just push this tab. Push it out like this. Let's see. So the way you do it is you push in, and then you press on this thing, and then push out, and it will come off. It will be attached back here. I wish I could have better angle, but it's kind of impossible with all this pipings and things going on over here. But once you do that, put the socket through here. I'll show you another video with a better angle, but that's the whole point. You take the 24mm, take the sensor out, and put the new one in. Then you can put everything back on. It should be like this. Put the 2 bolts, put the nuts on the 13mm nuts for the sway bar, and should be it. If you have any questions, just comment, hit a thumbs up if you like this video, and that's it for now. See you next time.